waste. Overproduction is a waste. Overprocessing is a waste. Defects, producing defects is a waste. All of them are clearly waste. These are pointed out by a famous quality guru called Taichi Ono. Taichi Ono, Shingo, and then Sakichi Toyoto. These are the three responsible for the introduction of Toyota production system. These are the three who introduced Toyota production system, and now we call it lean. And then 5S. 5S is a workplace organizing tool. 5S stand for sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. Kaizen stands for continuous improvement. Kaizen is again a Japanese word. K means continuous, Gen means improvement, or otherwise K stands for change, Gen stand for better, changing for the betterment. SMED, single minute exchange of dice. How can you quickly change the settings and thereby you are ready for the production? How quickly you change the machine setup or whatever, and then you make your machines or you make your resources productive. That approach is called SMED. And Kanban is a tool which will help you, to make your operations perform in a pull manner. Instead of pushing, make it pull. It is something like, instead of simply producing everything and then sending to the market, only when an order is raised by the customer, you will produce. By changing from push to pull, all the 7 waste will automatically get eliminated. Since you produce only when there is a demand, you really don't have to store anything. Customer places, you can see now the many laptop manufacturing companies like Dell, Apple, and everything. You place an order, then they build it and send it to you. They keep everything ready. It doesn't mean that they don't do any work. They keep everything ready. The final touch will be given once your order is received. That final touch, how much time it takes? It takes hardly 5 days. So you place the order for the laptop today, 6th day laptop is in your hand. And that is called SMED. And a laptop is assembled only when you place an order. That is called Kanban. Some signal is required to initiate the work in the company. That is Kanban, right? And then value stream mapping. How the work is happening, starting from receipt of the order till delivery of the product. All the activities of your manufacturing, production, everything is documented in the form of a flow, process flow. That is called value stream mapping. It not only documents your process flow, it also documents the material flow. It also documents the information flow. All the three together is called value stream mapping. So slightly a better version of your process flow chart. TPM, productive maintenance, total productive maintenance. Your equipments are maintained in such a way that they are always available for productive work. Now there is the downtime is reduced to a great extent. Only during maintenance, the machine is not available. For all the other time, the machine is in a ready to working condition. That means any quality loss due to the maintenance or poor maintenance of the equipment will get eliminated by the approach called TPM. This is again a lean tool. So lean's focus is on 3M. What is 3M? First M is Muda. Muda means waste. We understood. Any non-value adding activity is a waste. Another thing, Mura. Mura means unevenness. Third thing, Muri, that is overburden. Hope all of you understand these easy terms, right? Waste, you already know. Unevenness, we already spoke. And what is overburden? If you stress any resource beyond its capacity, for example, your boss is giving you too much work and he is not giving you the time. Will you perform? You will start underperforming, isn't it? You might have the potential, but then still you will fail to deliver the result because you are overloaded. Same logic is applicable even to machineries, any form of resource. Be it a lathe machine, be it a crane, or be it whatever. Never overburden any resource. That is called Muri. You eliminate all the three, flow will be very smooth. Results will be, you will see phenomenal improvement in the result. Only to eliminate the Muda, Mura, and Muri, you need to learn all these tools. Is that clear to all of you? What is lean? Right. I want to do a small activity with all of you, and all of you can now come on video and show me a piece of paper and a pen. We'll do a small case and now.